and Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how I made this chili lemon garlic pasta. I started by cutting my onions, tossed that in my hot oil, added my goat meat, then started to add my water for pasta, added salt to that hot water, then added prawns to my protein. Time to blend the pepper. That pepper was too much. I reduced some, added onions, and I blended this. Then I started to build my flavors. I brought this to my protein, added garlic butter, remember garlic lemon. Then I went back to my water, swapped, continued to add my flavors. Lemon, a cup of lemon to one pasta. Then I started to boil my pasta. Please do not break your spaghetti so that the Italians will not have a seizure. Then I added seasoning cube. My pasta is ready. Now I begin to transfer it to the sauce, including the pasta water because we need it to be gooey. Now cover that for like 5 minutes. And I went to prep my aromatic herbs. So this is me just cutting my dill and coriander. Then went back to check. Oh, this is ready. This is a quick and easy recipe that is refreshing. Just simply mix your aromatic herbs, coriander, dill, lemon zest, pepper, and lemon juice. It will take your taste buds on a journey you will never forget. So this is me grating in my lemon zest to this recipe. I also added that coriander and dill that I chopped, building in flavors. Remember guys, you probably have eaten this pasta at your restaurant or you see them in a movie and you're wondering, can I even make this? What am I doing here? This is me bringing in the sauce from the pasta pot. Oh my god, this sauce was everything. It was delicious, it was creamy, it was gooey, it was, oh my god, tasty. It made the recipe really delicious. All right guys, I am so glad that you're part of this video. You will not regret hanging on to the end because my brothers came in and they made this a very fun content. Now I was saying, trust me, everything is better when you make it at home. Try to make this recipe yourself. Just add your personal touch to it and you will be glad you did. Let me know if you will eat or pass this recipe. Let me also know if you will be kind to share this recipe with someone who you know loves pasta. Here we go. This is so hot, like chili hot. My brothers are gonna eat this with me. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's eat.
Wait. I don't get. This is not a pepper. Let's put money. Let's put money.
Money?
Yes.
Is it necessary for us to? Let's just eat and see.
First to finish.
First to finish.
First to finish. Yes.
Okay, 2K.
No.
Only.
No, I'm bigger than 2K now. Big C is
2K. I put 2K.
Okay, let me see what I can do. 5K.
5K.
How much you guys with the $10?
Hey. With your $10, I'll win all of you.
Let's start.
Wait. We do want to go first. Wait. We do want to go first.
Okay, wait. I'm actually a slow eater, but let me put mine.
We'll finish it though.
We'll finish.
First to finish.
I will finish it. I will finish it.
Just to finish your plate wins all this money.
Can we start, please?
Wait first.
Okay,
we'll do
we
one,
have
two,
to
three.
count.
Yes.
Yeah, at the count of 3. 1. Guys, I need to bend down. 2. 3.
Look at it. Just add more.
Yeah. Yeah, I do pepper. Ah. Guys, I'm done. I need to drink water.
It's your 2000.
Ah.
Mm.
Nah. Oh my God.
I did not do
Thank you so much, guys. I guess Richard is the winner.
For my 5,000.
He's still eating.
My 5,000. It's my 5,000. They win me for my 5,000.
Oh my God. Alright, guys. Follow for more. Please subscribe. That was so much fun. Consider subscribing if you haven't. You know I love you. Mwah.